All right, guys, finally picking her up. Let's do a quick run around. Those are the new skinnies that I wanted to try because I don't know if I like driving on skinnies yet. Got fresh meat on there. Yeah. Hold on, let me roll out here. Let's get the angle with the skinnies in the front. Yeah, that looks good. Gunsmoke, John Doe, Tarzan, straight out the jungle. If you guys haven't heard my song, go listen to it. It's on every platform. Just type in Wheels AC, John Doe. I just want one. Actually, I want more already. Want another G8. You guys obviously already know because you're on my YouTube probably watching this. See the two-tone door handles. It's got a black roof. Ben had that, but I don't think I ever showed it before because I'm rolling down low. Nice. Skinny tires. You know, I got the hood because I got a forced induction blower spacer and lid spacer and a Joker's blower, and it sits too high, so I had to do something. Got rid of the carbon fiber one. This one isn't carbon fiber, but it's fiberglass, and it's about a 2-inch cowl. Nice. Let's back up and see this one. Yeah. She's looking really good. Ready to take her home. Guys, out with the old, in with the new. Nah, I'm just playing. What about that? I'm taking her home today. Wheels AC. And look what she's parked next to. All right, guys, she's loaded up, ready to go home. So I can wait for my appointment to get her PPF'd, paint protective filmed. And then she'll be ready to drive. Here we go. She's loaded up all nice. Can't wait to get her home.